Don't miss out on a new villa home located southwest Fort Wayne. Enjoy the luxury of no yard maintenance and no snow shoveling with all the perks of a new home. This split-bedroom ranch has wonderful curb appeal and a covered front porch accented by decorative shake and stone. The front porch welcomes you to an open foyer and great room with a soaring cathedral ceiling. The eat-in kitchen features a large island and is set up perfectly for breakfast bar seating. These custom kitchen cabinets offer plenty of storage space, and just off of the kitchen area is a covered rear veranda, along with a separate open patio where you can relax and unwind. The owner suite offers a private entry and a spacious bathroom with large shower. All selections have been finalized, so this home is move-in ready just for you. Come and take a look at every feature and intricate design choice that went into this gorgeous property and see what makes it your home sweet home. Call Elizabeth Urschel before this gem slips away.